everyone, welcome to my home renovation. I'll be going through my budget, the design, the fun part. But right now, what you see is the before. Not very cute right now. There's a big window, a small window, not very symmetrical in the front. Tons of weeds that have grown up in the front yard. This used to be a dog run, and there's a chicken coop right there in the back. But all that's getting demolished right now. That leads out to the backyard, and then here you go in the back entrance. This is the kitchen before. Yeah, a lot of grossness going on. From inside the house, you can see the side door and then the two side sliding glass doors. And then you're walking into the hallway that leads to both bedrooms. Mind you, this house is 812 square feet, not that big. You see that the walls have this like weird texture as well as the ceilings, and just overall not pretty. And then this is the one bathroom for the entire space. The bathroom actually had dry rot, so I had to completely gut this. Well, my contractor did. And then this leads into the master bedroom with such a grand closet. Yup. These rooms are small. Now we're going to leave from the bedroom. We're going to go back down to the hallway and then into the living room, dining room. There goes the side door you can see, and then that's the house front to back. Now we're walking out to the outside so you can see the sliding glass doors from the outside. And as you see, there's a lot of damage, dry rot from water of those sliding glass doors not being properly installed. So now we're going to go into the design program. This is what I used to explain to my contractor exactly how I wanted the house laid out. I relocated that side front door to the front and then put both windows on both sides so it could be symmetric. Now this is the entire house. Being that I don't have a large budget, I figured I would do faux shiplap on all the walls to cover up the texture. In the kitchen you have a pantry, a 24-inch stove, a sink, a dishwasher 24-inch, the refrigerator 24-inch, and then the washer and dryer. And then you see the little kitchen island right there. We decided to change the sliding glass doors with two French doors in the design. This is now looking from the dining room back to the living room, where we've now relocated that side door to the front of the house. And then this is the bathroom. We extended the bathroom now from the point where it was all the way out to the hallway. And you can see it better in the 2D instead of like the 3D model, where you can see I have now two sink vanities, being that this is the only bathroom, a shower, and a toilet. The bedroom's door had to be relocated. However, this bedroom door will remain where it is. It's just cheaper and more cost effective to do it that way. That's the reason why that door was remained there. The bedrooms are very small. However, I can put my existing furniture. I have two queen beds. This is the guest bedroom bed. Decided to get a wardrobe that you can fit more items in, because the closets that were currently there weren't able to fit anything in them. So I decided to rip those out. And then the TV. I like TVs in the bedroom. I know some people don't like it, but you know. Now we're going to leave the guest bedroom and head down the hallway or head down the house in order to get to the master bedroom. It's on the other side of the bathroom. We relocated that door so that it's no longer in the hallway. It's actually on the outside, so you can access it from the dining room. Just like the guest bedroom, the master bedroom is very small. I decided to rip out the closet because the door to enter the bedroom was where the old closet was. And then I have a wardrobe in the master bedroom, just like the guest bedroom would have. Now we're going back out to the living room and dining room. Take a one good look. I decided to do an open concept so that you can see from the front of the house all the way to the back of the house. It just This house is too small to chop up in smaller pieces, so it's just better that the whole entire area is open. We're gonna go straight into the backyard. I decided to do something really simple, have a little fire pit. In the back, as you notice, I have two outdoor day beds. I think that will offer a little bit of an oasis, a beautiful backyard, a fun time. And then on the side of the yard, as I'm trying to maneuver my way on this program, because sometimes, a girl struggles. So, anyways, a little sitting area and just have a little good time out there to entertain guests. So here's what you really came here for was the budget. So this is my initial budget before we do any work. And so as you see, for labor, I budgeted 14,000, services 39,840, material 2,000, and products 15,000. My total budget is $70,000. I've already purchased a lot of the products because I closed on a house and I had renters in the house for about 2 weeks, so I had enough time to purchase the materials that I needed. My contractor told me everything that I needed to buy. What you're seeing over there on the left is just how I scroll through each of the labor category: service, material, product, and actual versus budgeted. So it's just more of a visual sense. And then this is how we broke down the budget. For services, this is everything that my contractor quoted back to me, which is $39,000 worth of stuff: electrician, plumber, sheetrock, demo, termite, tinting, painting, so on and so forth. Materials are the things that I need to purchase. I know the square footage because my contractor already measured everything out, so I just need to purchase those items, and the subtotal will go off to the right. This is everything I had to buy: bathroom sink pop-up, bathroom vanity, shower faucet, exterior lighting, and you saw the subtotal there at the bottom. So in the labor category, I actually don't have anything there. But when each week that we go through, week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on and so forth, my contractor will charge me, and then I will populate those weeks as you see the series continue. Here you see the overage charge, and this is where you want to add 10, 15, 20% because you could go over budget and you just want to plan for the worst and just hope for the best. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and put them thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next 6 videos of this so you can see the project to the end. Have a good one.